Atom. An atom is the smallest unit of a substance.
A molecule consists of a combination of two or more atoms.
Beautiful. A beautiful thing is good to look at.
There was a beautiful sunset.
Breadth. Breadth is the distance from one side to the other side of something.
The breadth of the northern wall of the house is 20 meters.
Comet. A comet is an object in space made of ice and rock with a tail of glowing dust.
Comets take many decades to complete an orbit around a star.
Cover. To cover something is to put things over it.
The earth was covered with clouds.
Despair. Despair is the feeling of having no hope.
After we lost the big account, our salespeople were filled with despair.
Form. To form is to make or to shape something.
They formed a new government.
Fragment. A fragment is a small part of something.
After the light broke, there were fragments of glass to clean up.
Galaxy. A galaxy is an extremely large collection of star systems.
Our solar system is located in the outer area of our galaxy.
Gloom. Gloom is a state of almost complete darkness or sadness.
In the gloom of the morning, it was difficult to see the boat on the lake.
Large. Something large is very big.
I was frightened by a large bird.
Moon. The moon is an object that travels around our Earth.
The moon looks beautiful tonight.
Radiate. To radiate means to send out energy or heat.
The heat from the fireplace radiated throughout the room.
Roam. To roam means to move around without a plan or purpose.
All day, the cows roamed around the field eating grass.
Solitary. A solitary thing is lonely or the only one.
The only thing in the room was a solitary chair.
Spectrum. The spectrum is the full range of color, ranging from red to violet.
You can see the entire spectrum in a rainbow.
Sphere. A sphere is a three-dimensional round shape, like a ball.
The balloons were inflated into a variety of colorful spheres.
Star. A star is a bright, shining thing in the night sky.
The stars come out at night.
Status. Status is the position of something or someone in relation to others.
She had achieved the status of being the smartest girl in the class.
Ugly. Something ugly is not good to look at.
It was an ugly sight. How Comet got his tail. A solitary rock roamed through the cold gloom of space. It slowly moved through space with a feeling of sadness. In the large and beautiful galaxy, it was only a tiny rock. It felt as small as an atom. On its journeys, it encountered many amazing objects. It flew by beautiful moons that were covered with dust. Why can't I be as beautiful as them? It thought. The rock passed a large planet. The sphere was hundreds of times larger than the breadth of the small rock. Why can't I be as large as that? It wondered. The rock was filled with despair. It was surrounded by beauty and greatness, yet it was just a small and ugly fragment of rock. One day, It approached the area of a bright star. "What's wrong?" the star asked. "Oh, I wish I had a higher status in the galaxy. All the other objects are so beautiful and large," the rock replied. "But I'm just an ugly rock." The star considered the problem. At last it said, "You don't have to worry anymore. I think I can help." The star radiated its light brighter and hotter than it had ever done before. "Come a little closer," the star said to the rock. The rock drifted closer to the star. Suddenly, the ice that was in the rock's tiny holes melted and became gas. Then, the gas came out behind the comet to form a brilliant tail. The tail shone with all the colors of the spectrum. The little rock had become a beautiful comet. It looked so amazing. It realized that the star helped it change its appearance. "Thank you," the comet said, and then flew away with its new beautiful tail following behind it like a giant cape.